हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपका सुधीर मधुकर साल्वे। मैं आज आपके सामने बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर लेके आया हूँ। उसका नाम है दैट इज़ अ मोनोहाइब्रिड एंड डायहाइब्रिड क्रॉस। द मोनोहाइब्रिड एंड डायहाइब्रिड क्रॉस is explained by that is a Gregor John Mendel. So Gregor John Mendel was the scientist who who put the monohybrid and dihybrid cross. So before discuss monohybrid and dihybrid cross, we should discuss about that is the terminologies. So in terminologies, first we discuss about that is the phenotypes. Phenotypes is nothing but the external appearance or the characteristics of organism. फिनोटाइप मतलब जो ऑर्गेनिज्म का एक्सटर्नल मार्फोलॉजी और एक्सटर्नल अपीयरेंस होता है उसे फिनोटाइप बोलते हैं। एग्जांपल दैट इज़ हाइट ऑफ द प्लांट। सो हाइट ऑफ द प्लांट हम लोग देख सकते हैं। देन कलर ऑफ द प्लांट्स, देन एक्सेट्रा। Then second है that is a genotype. Genotype is nothing but the internal appearance or the morphology of an organism. Example that is a small t that is a dwarf and capital T that is a tall. The third terminology is the trait. Trait is nothing but the character, and character is an organism's. Then fourth terminology is in the alleles. The allele is nothing but the alternative forms of the genes. Then sixth, that is the dominant character. Dominant character is nothing but those character which show in a F1 generation, that is called as a dominant character. Means when we cross between two parents, that is a considering only one single character, those character which appear in a next generation, that is called as a dominant character. Example, that is a tall is a dominant character. 6, that is a recessive character. Those character which do not appear or seen in the F1 generation, that is called as a recessive character. Means the recessive character which not expressed in a F1 generation, and the recessive character is always denoted by the small alphabets. 7 is a homozygous. When two alleles are present in the dominant form or the capital letter is called as a homozygous. For example, capital T is a tall and capital Y that is a yellow. The 8 is a that is a heterozygous. Heterozygous. When one allele is in the recessive form and the one allele is the dominant form, the example is a means the one letter in the capital form and another letter in the recessive form, that is a heterozygous. Mean capital T and small t, it is a heterozygous tall. And again the second example, that is a capital Y small y, that is a heterozygous yellow dominant. After that, that is a monohybrid cross. The cross between two parents considering only one character is called as monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross means when we consider only one characters and cross between two parents, that is a monohybrid cross. For example, the character is a tall is crossed with the character that is a dwarf is called as a monohybrid cross. Then that is a dihybrid cross. The cross between two parents considering that is a two character. For example, considering two characters and it is a cross between two parents. For example, that is a yellow round is crossed with the that is a green wrinkle. Monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross is nothing but the cross between two parents considering only one character, that is the monohybrid cross. So let's we discuss one by one that is a monohybrid cross. We considering that is a parent that is a male and the female, that is a phenotype that is a tall and that is a dwarf. Tall and dwarf is nothing but that is the height of the plants. The genotype, that is a capital T small t. The gametes, that is a capital T small t. When we consider that is a form, that is a capital T small t in a F1 generation. When we obtain that is a F1 generation, that is a heterozygous dominant tall, after for obtain the second generation we selfing that the heterozygous tall dominant. Selfing is nothing but when the product is obtained in a F1 generation, it cross with itself, that is called as a selfing. By the Punnett square we obtain that is the character or result of the second generation. So let's we discuss about the phenotypic ratio, that is 3 is to 1, that is a 3 is a tall and 1 is a dwarf. Then genotypic ratio, 1 is a homozygous dominant, second is a heterozygous, 2 is a heterozygous dominant and 1 is a that is a homozygous recessive. So this is all about the monohybrid cross. So let's we discuss about that is a dihybrid cross. The cross between two parents considering two characters, means the cross, it is a cross between two parents and considering that is a two characters. For example, the cross between male and female considering the character, that is the color of the pod and the shape of the pod. Phenotype is that is a yellow round and that is a green winkle. We cross with the each other, that is a genotype. That genotype for the yellow round, that is a capital Y, capital R, and the genotype for the green wrinkle, that is a small y, small r. That is a gametes is a form, that is a capital R, small y, small r. When we cross with these gametes to obtain that is a yellow round, that is a heterozygous dominant in a F1 generation. Then we selfing for the second generation. Selfing is nothing but the product of F generation is crossed with the itself. Again, that is a yellow round is crossed with the yellow round. Like this, we with the help of the Punnett square, we cross the one character with the another character, that is a we obtain that is a 16 characters in a that is a say a dihybrid cross. Let's we discuss about the phenotypic ratio of the dihybrid cross, that is a 9 is a yellow round, 3 is a yellow wrinkled and 3 is a green round and 1 is a green wrinkle. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.